Yes, student, here one of the very important question. In this question, you can find the change in all type of factors like concentration, temperature, and pressure. Earlier, we have seen in different question one by one change of factors, but in this question, you can find the change of all types of factor in the same reaction. Question is at 473 Kelvin. Okay, equilibrium constant, that is Kc, for the decomposition of PCl5 is this one. So this is the value of Kc reaction. If the reaction is given as PCl5 gas, okay, gives PCl3 gas and Cl2 gas. Okay, and del RH, standard del RH of the reaction, this is called enthalpy change of the reaction is 124.0 kilojoule per mole. Okay, student, here the sign important plays very important role. Here the plus sign is there, that means the reaction type is endothermic reaction. Now we have to write the question given. First one, write an expression for Kc. So you all know what is Kc. It is the ratio of the concentration of product by concentration of reactant. So we can write here the expression for Kc will be equal to the concentration of product. This is what PCl3. Okay, you can write in square bracket multiplied by the concentration of Cl2 divided by now the product now the reactant is what PCl5. So the concentration of PCl5. So this is an expression. The question number 2, what is the value of Kc for the reverse reaction? For the reverse reaction, student, again I am telling you that the question acquires many of the concept of this chapter. What are the characteristics of Kc? There were 4 characteristics of Kc we have already discussed. Okay, out of this, one of the characteristics is given here, reverse reaction. That means when the reaction is getting reverse, the Kc becomes its reciprocal. The value of Kc becomes its reciprocal. That is what? On reversing, it is one of the concept what? On reversing the reaction, okay, Kc becomes what? 1 by Kc. Okay, so what you have to do? The value of Kc is given. What is the value of Kc? The value of Kc is what is it? 8.3 into 10 to power 3. So on reversing the reaction, it will become what? 1 upon 8.3 into 10 to power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 8.3. Okay, or okay, you do solve it in your rough notebook. Okay, now the third question is, what would be effect on Kc if, now 3 questions are there in the section C. What would be effect on Kc if more PCl5 is added? That is what? Concentration of PCl5 is increased. Added means concentration is increased. So where is the PCl5? It is in the reactant side. So if the concentration of any of the reactant species is getting increased, then the reaction is getting shift to the product side. So the product side means what? Forward direction. Forward what? Direction. Isn't it? Question number 2. What will be the effect of pressure? But which type of effect? Increased in pressure. So again we have discussed, if the pressure is getting increased, the reaction is shifted to the direction where there is lesser number of mole or lesser volume is present. So the lesser volume is present in reactant side. That is what? Backward direction. Therefore your answer become what? Backward direction. Backward direction. Or you can say what? Reactant side. Getting? You can call it what? Reactant side. Getting? Because at present PCl5 is in reactant side. And the third one is effect of temperature. And which type of effect? Increased in the temperature. Student, actually the pressure and the concentration do not affect the value of Kc, but the temperature affects the value of Kc. Getting? It is because when the temperature is increases, the kinetic energy of the species increases, therefore their reaction magnitude also gets increases. So to observe the temperature effect, we have to find which type of reaction is there, that is whether it is exothermic or it is endothermic. So how do we find it? We will find it by the change in enthalpy value of the reaction. Here R stands for reaction. So it is given with the positive value. That is what? That is the forward direction is what? Endothermic direction, while the backward direction is what? Exothermic direction. So the forward direction reaction is endothermic direction. That means what? That means being the reaction is also endothermic, so on increasing the temperature, reaction will shift to endothermic direction. Okay. On increase in temperature, okay, reaction will shift to which direction? Forward direction. Because at present the forward direction is what? Endothermic direction. So for this you can simply write the reaction will shift to forward direction. So in this way you can understand in the better way of Le Chatelier principle by solving the question and assignment. I will also give some more questions. So student, with this one of the section of equilibrium is completed. In the next class we will discuss the chemical, that is the ionic equilibrium, and in ionic equilibrium I will start the various concepts of acid, bases and salt, okay, where we will see the Arrhenius concept, the Bronsted concept and the Lewis concept. So you have to be prepared because there are 2 days gap, 2 to 3 days gap are there, okay.